Hi, Dean from Leisure Travel Vans. As you know, on our blog, we have some great leisure lists. Campgrounds, cooking, lots of great lists of ideas. We're working on a new one that we think is going to be very, very exciting, and we need your help. It's called LTV Open Spaces, and we want to know what you've done special on your leisure travel van motorhome. Customization, modifications, accessories, anything that you've done that is really special to make your leisure travel van motorhome super special that you want to share with others. And it's very simple. You can do a video, and I hope you do it Dean style.
So come on in, we'll start in the back. I'm 5'1" and I have plenty of room.
And if you do want to do the walkthrough video, make sure you upload it on YouTube, or you can simply send us a picture with a list of the items that you've done to make your leisure travel van super special. LTV Open Spaces, we can't wait to see a new leisure list of all the great ideas that you have done to make your motorhome unique.